is up, T.O.Gs? Now, if you're new to the channel and you don't know what T.O.Gs are, I am that one guy, and T.O.Gs are that one guy supporters or that one guy subscribers. If you're watching this video, you're T.O.Gs because, yeah, you're supporting me by watching my video right now. So if you're here for the first time, welcome. And if you're not here for the first time, also welcome. But I wanted to talk a little bit about my channel today, because if you're new to the channel and you're scrolling through my content, you might notice that I am not your average motovlogger. And the reason I say that is I post 3 times a week, and those 3 times, oh, that sounds right in my mirrors. And those 3 times a week that I post, they're not always going to be motorcycle related content. You know, this isn't because I don't love motorcycles, and it's not because I'm trying to force the people who follow me to digest content that's not motorcycle related. No, that's not it at all. It's because it's just who I am. I'm not a one-dimensional person, and I know none of us are just one-dimensional people. But I like my channel to reflect who I am as a person. And if you've come to subscribe to my channel, I know that you've come because you're interested in what I bring to the table. That always doesn't have to be motorcycles. So I definitely put the vlogger in Motovlogger, because I don't post motorcycle related content exclusively. So what does that mean? What that means is I don't have the growth in my channel like you might see somebody who posts as frequently and as regularly as I do. You know, you might expect to see maybe a few more subscribers than I actually have, and you know, I've battled with that, and I've actually talked to another motovlogger, and if you haven't already checked out Trip on 2 Wheels, check him out, because he was very helpful to me in this way, kind of just reiterating what I already knew. But a very knowledgeable guy, and if you haven't checked out his channel, he got some great content, so check him out. That's Trip on 2 Wheels. There'll be a link right here so you can go to it, and in the description. You know, we discussed the fact that if I were to cut all the other stuff out that I talk about on my channel, maybe make a second channel, or you know, maybe just not do it anymore. And that's by choice. I do produce a lot of non-motorcycle related content, and so, you know, I appreciate all of you who tune in to watch my videos. And you know, obviously I understand that my videos that are motorcycle related get the most views, but again, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with the fact that a lot of you will only tune in if it's motorcycle related, and some of you come for my content because I do a segment called Let's Talk, and it's on relationship advice, and we do some unboxings here, some product reviews, but a lot of that stuff comes right back to what we do here on the channel, because a lot of it is technology related, and all of that technology that I review and all that technology that I unbox on this channel is somehow related to what I do here. So if you have questions for me regarding myself, regarding my channel, leave them in the comments. Maybe you've wondered why I don't only talk about motorcycles on my channel, and maybe you'd only like me to do that. But that is the beauty of being a creator here on YouTube, is that you get to choose what you create, and that's that's probably one of my favorite things, bottom line, about being a YouTuber, is because I get to do what I want. And like I said, appreciate all of you for tuning in. But guys, that's all I've got for you today. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button, and if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Guys, if you're out there riding, be safe, and if you're not riding, get ready. I'm that one guy, and I am out.